Then of course there's all the editing tools that are available in any DAW. So for example, I've soloed up the lead vocal here. Let's play this from the top. I think the lead vocal comes in about here. Sure enough, there's a cough there. I can just snap that back, and even if I took that snap off, I could nudge that right up to the beginning. Perhaps I just want to keep my intake breath there to keep it a little bit more realistic. And then if I like, I can go to all these drums. These are all the live tracks. There's no live drums until the first chorus comes in, so you could just snap them all up. You can also do things like cleaning up your timing on some of these audio tracks. Now I have this this electric guitar, this rhythm guitar part, soloed up, and I brought up the click so we can hear that in time. It kind of slowed down there. And that part is definitely late. So in a lot of DAWs, you can actually time all these transients here. You can see I'm late on that part there. Go through some of these. That obviously needs to be brought up. You can go as heavy as you want in this area. My experience is not to just select them all and then quantize them, but just get the parts that are really obviously late or early and just give them a little bit of a nudge, and let's see how that sounds. Yeah, it's a little bit late there, but you can get the idea. You can change your timing of these transients on any audio track. And of course, if they're MIDI tracks, you can nudge those MIDI notes around as well. Then of course, in most modern DAWs, you can also change the pitch and the vibrato. So let's look at this particular note right here. Yeah! There's some vibrato right there. I can flatten that right out so it's more of a pure tone. Yeah! And then of course, I can change that tone to anything I want. Yeah, So, I mean, there's lots of things you can do on a typical DAW in terms of editing with your timing, with your pitch, chopping little pieces out, copying and pasting, all that kind of stuff. And we'll look at that in detail when we get into our actual practical examples of our mixing.